Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you how to find your shortcut list in Camtasia and learn everything in a single place. So let's see. Right, so the very first thing you need to do is to launch your Camtasia video editing software, just like what you see right here. After you open up your Camtasia video editing software, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here, navigate to edit. Then this is going to drop down. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Click on preferences, just like so, and the preferences window is going to pop up just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to shortcut bar right here. So you have all the shortcut key right here. Now by default, animations and effects, these are the relevant shortcut key you can use for animations and effects. Add last use transition, shift plus T, then add custom animation, shift plus A. Then you can also come to the next tab right here where we have canvas options. So under the canvas option, zoom in on canvas, control plus equal to, zoom out on canvas, control plus minus, then center canvas, alt plus C, then show or hide canvas ruler, control plus shift plus R. Then move to the next paragraph here, which is program options. So you have all these tab right here, such as open library, which is R, then asset tab E, then media file tab B. So you can scroll down and learn some of these keywords right here for easy and seamlessly workflow in Camtasia video editing software. You can scroll down and see more stuff right here. Then the next tab right here, project options. Then you can also learn some keywords right here in project option, such as export frame rate as soft, which is Control plus F, import into a media bin, Control plus I, add export frame to play head, shift plus Control plus F. It's as simple as that. Alternatively, if you have some of the shortcut key that you download from internet, maybe from Camtasia asset library on their official webpage, and you want to import it into this particular section, what you need to do is to click on this setting icon right here, and then make sure you click on import. Then it will take you to your file folder. Then select the file that you want to import the shortcut key file. Then once you select the file, click on open, and everything will be embedded into your shortcut key right here in Camtasia video editing software. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to find and how best you can learn all the shortcut key in Camtasia video editing software in a single place. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about how best to use Camtasia video editing software. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.